Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it.
I truly believe like this is where things are headed in the future. And why I believe it's a really good sort of business to be in is when you have a business that can make money during a crisis, when you have money, a business that can do well during a crisis. So, last crisis, it was my video business. This crisis, it's the virtual seminar business. Um, when other companies are struggling, but you're taking in sales for like, six figures every week, when times are good, it means that you've got a pretty robust business. Our video business, when times got good, went crazy, like it went global. And at the moment, I truly believe that this really is, to your point, where everything's going to head anyway. You know, Now that people see that actually, I don't have to jump into work, I can stay work from home, all that sort of thing. I think this is just going to open up a lot of opportunities, and I think it's the best excuse to try it. Some of our students in Malaysia, they're restaurants, and people aren't allowed to go into restaurants. So what they're doing is they're just doing Facebook Lives where they prepare the meal and they show everybody how to do it, but then they freeze the food and they say, if you want it, it's just $10. We'll send it out to your house. And so they're making money at the same time, but also adding a lot of value to the community. There's obviously going to be some people that are like, well, I'm going to try cook that myself. There are other people that are like, well, this is entertaining, I love watching it, but I'm not going to cook it. So just send it over to me, deliver it, I'm going to eat it. So there's so many opportunities for people at the moment. I believe it's more effective when you're on camera. There's a lot of people that want to be behind the camera, and we teach
Yeah.
we teach that too. But honestly, the most effective thing is for you to be on camera. And honestly, it just falls into three main things. I've got like 3 minutes left before I got to go, but
Okay.
three main things. Number one, it's about creation. One thing that stops people getting involved in video is they think it's all about the technology. What camera do I buy? What lens do I use? What editing software? All that sort of stuff. Here's the thing: you can have like a $50,000 Red Epic camera, and if you don't know how to use it, uh, you're not going to make any money. If you know the techniques, if you don't focus on the technology, but you know the techniques, someone who knows what they're doing on their phone is going to make money. So that's number one. You got to know how to create. Number two, it's about connect. A lot of people, they get on camera and they get perfectionist and they think about things too much, and they think, well, if I send this video out, who's going to see it? Is my mom going to watch it? Is my ex-girlfriend going to watch it? Is she going to leave a nasty comment?
Yeah.
And people get very internal about it and they get very shy on camera. And so really, video rock stars, people that make money with videos, they know they have to go from camera shy to camera fly.
Yeah.
Last thing is really about converting. Maybe you've got videos out there, they're really well made. Maybe you connect really well. You've got like lots of people watching, sharing, and all that sort of stuff. But the problem is you're not converting, and that's the final thing. Rather than getting karma, you got to know how to turn all that karma into cash. So essentially, when it comes to what we do, those are the three things that we show people how to do. We show people how to make very simple videos, very effective videos, how to be super comfortable on camera, but not only that, just be able to connect. And the last thing, all of the ways that you can convert. There you go.
So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.